The total number of coronavirus cases in Armenia has reached 482 and 2,216 tests have come back negative. 30 people have recovered, whereas 3 patients have died, Health Ministry's spokesperson Alina Negosyan wrote on Facebook. According to the Health Minister, Arsen Torosyan, there are currently 14 patients in critical and 1 patient in a very critical state. Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan in turn touched on the 2 recent deaths from COVID-19. Both patients had very serious chronic diseases, he said in particular. In the meantime, another Armenian serviceman was diagnosed with coronavirus. Defense Ministry's spokesperson Shushan Stepanyan wrote on Facebook. According to her, the 6 total confirmed cases in Armenia's army are correlated with the first case. The Armenian government approved Monday the 6th measure to neutralize the economic impact of the coronavirus in the country. Accordingly, the government will provide financial assistance to citizens who have been far from their jobs between March the 13th and 30th. Meanwhile, unemployed pregnant women whose spouses were far from March 13th to 30th will receive 100,000 drams as well. However, Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan said the pregnant women whose spouses have died should also make use of this support program. Chairman of the General Council of Hauts-de-Seine Department of France, ex-minister Patrick Devedjian, has died Sunday from the consequences of the coronavirus, AFP reported. The 75-year-old French-Armenian politician had tested positive for coronavirus and was hospitalized earlier last week. Another death of an Armenian has been reported in Italy. Dr. Howard Yun Murad died in Italy after testing positive for the coronavirus, as reported on the Facebook page of Yerakuin News website. Over 3,000 vulnerable households in Armenia with elderly people and people with disabilities and large families in Shirak, Davush and Lori provinces will receive humanitarian aid packages thanks to the support of the EU, the European Commission said. As part of the global response to the coronavirus outbreak, the European Commission stands by Eastern partner countries and has reallocated 140 million euros for the most immediate needs in Armenia, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Georgia, Moldova and Ukraine. The election campaign period set by law is over, and Monday is Election Silence Day in Artsakh. 14 candidates will run for president in Tuesday's national elections, and 10 political parties and 2 alliances will run in the parliament elections. The Central Electoral Commission of Artsakh has accredited over 200 representatives of nearly 40 media outlets to cover the nationwide elections. The American dollar's exchange rate against the Armenian dram comprised 500.80 drams per $1 in Armenia on Monday. This is up by 2.37 drams from the previous business day in the country, the Central Bank of Armenia reported.